Hello everyone, my name is Jesam. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nepali Style Pork Curry. I hope you will learn something from this video. Let's go. I'll quickly go through the ingredients what you need for the pork curry. Obviously you need pork. I live in the UK, so I generally use pork from any of the superstore, Asda, Aldi or Tesco. Some other very important ingredients would be tomato, onion and coriander. Don't worry too much about the sequence when to use it. I'll go through as we cook along the curry. That's that. Need some sort of oil, salt, turmeric powder, this bit. This one is cumin powder and this one is coriander powder. Okay, a mixture of these will give you really nice curry flavor, and at the same time you will definitely need minced ginger and garlic. I finished cutting all the pork into small pieces. Now what I'm gonna do is heat the pan. Okay guys, my pan is hot enough. I put some oil already. You can use oil as much as you can. I mean, it's personal preference. So I tend to use as less as possible because the pork already has got fat on it. Okay, so let's add the pork in there. What I normally do is I put salt in the beginning. People have got their own preferences. The reason I put salt first is when you put the salt and cover it with the lid, it helps take out all the water out of the meat. That's the only reason I do that. Let's mix it well so that salt is divided properly. Once you have done so, cover the pan with the lid. I like cooking the meat with the lid on. I think it gives more flavor. The key is to check the meat every now and then just to make sure it's not burnt. When the meat is cooking on its own, like using this spare time, doing some background activity, something like cutting the onion. In the other pan, I'm cooking fish curry at the same time. This is for my wife, she doesn't eat pork. If you want to learn how to make fish curry in a very simplest way, please leave the comment on the comment section. I'll try to do it on the next vlog. Okay. Time to check the pork. Wow, it's looking good. Yeah, slowly coming. Getting there. You can see the fat melting. What I normally do is I throw away the excess fat once I've finished cooking. Close the lid again and leave it alone. The color is coming really nice, it's turning brown. When you see your pork or your meat turning brown, what you can do is you can reduce the heat so that it doesn't burn. That's what I'm going to do. And slow cooking is better than fast cooking, so it's good to cook on low heat. Look at this, it's looking really nice, really beautiful. Once your pork is almost brown, what I would like to do is, you see this excess fat, I like throwing this away, okay, using a spoon. Almost half a cup of pork fat. Now since the pork is almost cooked, what I'm gonna do is add up the onion, chopped onion. Some people cook the onion in the beginning, even before putting the pork meat. But I like cooking this way so that it's not overcooked. Garlic and ginger paste. Cumin powder, and coriander. That's it. Let's mix it well. If you like a bit of chili, you can add up red hot chili as well. Okay, just a bit, not too much. Gives you good flavor and the color as well. So it's coming really nice. It's almost ready now. Now the final bit, what we're gonna do is put some tomato in. Tomato is one of the key ingredients for curry, along with spices. Tomato is kind of must for any curry. If you look into the pan, the tomato has nicely melted with the meat. It's looking really good. Nearly there. next couple of minutes, then we are done. You may be thinking, is this guy a chef? No, I'm not a chef. My son has recently started university. Of course, he's not really good at cooking. Every now and then he gives me a call and says, Dad, how do you cook this? Dad, how do you cook this? So what I thought was, I'll just make some videos and put them on YouTube so that it can not only be used by my son but by other people as well who want to learn, who want to try a different kind of dishes. That's why I'm pretty new. So if you like my video, if you have learned something from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe as well, and if you think your friends or your families would love to see this video, share as well at the same time. Now the curry is ready. What we're gonna do is put on the plate and test. Okay, the pork looks delicious. One final bit to do is to add some coriander. There you go. That's Nepali Style Pork Curry. Now the cooking bit is done. It's time to test how it has come. Let's go for the first piece. Reasonably good. Now it's your time to go into the kitchen and start cooking. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments on the comment section so that I can improve on the next video. Ta-da, bye bye.